Hi all, welcome to Simple Engineering, Engineering Simplified. I am Neetu Rahul. Today we are going to discuss about Mentally Desktop. For those who are not aware, Mentally Desktop is a very useful reference management software, particularly for research scholars. Reference management software means when a research scholar write a journal paper, he or she will be referring numerous other journals. Mentally makes it very easy to manage the references. There are different reference management softwares. Some of the popular reference management softwares are RefWorks, Zotero, EndNote, Mentally. And let's see what Mentally can do. Today, I will be showing where to download the Mentally software, how to register, and navigating through the Mentally. Just give the overview. So, with Mentally, we can create and manage citations of books, articles, videos, and more. Then, with this, we can import citations from many databases. We can extract metadata from imported PDFs. We can collaborate with other researchers online. We can find relevant papers based on what we are reading or what is our interested area. We can highlight and annotate papers and share those notes with others. We can organize our sources using various groups, tags, filters, etc. So these are the things with Mentally we can do. So I'll be showing how to navigate through the Mentally. So first you have to check for Mentally desktop in Google. So you will get download Mentally desktop that you have to click. So you will get a window like this. In that, download Mentally desktop for Windows. If you are using Mac OS, Linux, for everything you have Mentally. So you have to download Mentally desktop according to your uh, operating system which you are using. So I am downloading Mentally desktop for Windows. So downloading process, that is a normal process which the softwares which you are downloading. Like that you can execute this file and install this Mentally desktop. As I have already done, so I will show you how to use this one. So once you have downloaded, you will get a window like this. Then you have to go to register. Now I have already done the registration. So this registration process, that is just normal one that everyone can do. As I have already registered, I will show you how to log in over here. So after registration, you have to again come to this window. There you have to sign in. So once you have signed in to your account, you will get a window like this. So here a reference manager that is already installed, and you have a citation plugin for Microsoft that is also installed. So you can just close this one. Then I'm showing how to add papers over here. So what all papers you are adding, you will get in the all documents over here. So once you have downloaded some papers from the internet means you can easily add that. So here you have to click add button. So I have downloaded some papers. I'm just adding that papers over here. So one by one you can add the papers. So I'm just adding. and you can check whether that is the papers which you have added is or in the database, that details and all you can check. You can double click on that. You will get the paper over here. So you can in the right side you will get a window. There all the details are there. So you can check whether the details over here are same. The volume, issues, the year of publication, its page number, all the details are here in the right side window. Even you have DOI, which is a digital object identifier, that you can look up. So the paper you will get over here. You can verify the data from the right hand side window. So like that, each paper you can check whether the details given over here are same, the authors, all the details. Just you verify that. Then come to my library. Another thing is, if you know some author name, if you want to add that papers, which once if you have not downloaded some papers, you want to directly add, means in the literature search, you can search for the author. If you know the author name or paper title or anything like that, you can search over here and you can add that. That will come in the all documents over here. And if you have your publications, that also you can add over here. That is, if you have your published research work, you can add it in your my publication folder. Then I will show you how to write the journal paper with the help of Mentally Desktop. So you have to open a Word document. So in the Word document, you can, in the references, you can see over here. Once you have installed Mentally Desktop, you will get these details over here. That is insert citation, open Mentally, the style which you are using, like that. So I am just changing the style to American Political Science Association, and I am just writing my paper. So we can write it as, this is a test document, and I have to insert the citation over here. So after the your sentence or anything, you just click insert citation. If you know the author name, you can search, write it over here. So just go to your library. So I'm just writing it as Yasen. So in here, insert citation, search author, you can write it as Yasen. So we have added that in the library. So that will come over here. Just click on that and give OK. So according to American Political Science Association, that citation will come over here. And in references, you have to add that. So just insert bibliography. You have to click that button. The paper which you are citing, that the reference will come over here. So like that, you can add the citations and all the references in your paper. So one more I will try. Insert citation in your library. I'm just writing this author, Alpha. I will just write insert citation, Alpha. So that will come over here. You just click OK. So that citation will come over here, and the references that will be automatically added. So according to your citation style which you need, you can change. So if you need that in IEEE format, you will get like this. If you want to change in American Medical Association, it will change like this. So most of the journals, they will be using American Political Science Association format and IEEE format. If I want to change in another style, it will be like this. So depending upon the citation styles which we are using, we can easily convert your document into the style which we need. So hope everyone enjoyed this video. Now it's clear that we can easily write journal paper with the help of Mentally. So please like, subscribe and comment my video. Thank you.